Hey mamas, I'm so happy that you are here this morning with me. If you are tuning in live or catching the replay, welcome. My name is Kristen. I'm a registered holistic nutrition practitioner, and I'm also a mama of two myself. So I specialize in helping women just like you, especially during this sacred yet often overwhelming season of life, and that is postpartum. So today we're going to be talking about all things postnatal nutrition and wellness and why focusing on your health isn't selfish, it's essential. Looking after a beautiful mama just like you means a healthy baby. So grab a tea, find a comfy spot, even if that looks like rocking your little one to sleep, and let's dive in. So let's start by reframing something. Postpartum is not just about bouncing back or getting your pre-body back. It's about healing, restoring, and nurturing your body. You just created life. Your body is incredible, but it's also depleted. So this is the season for rebuilding those nutrient stores that were lost through pregnancy and birth, balancing your hormones, which are shifting rapidly after delivery, supporting your emotional wellness, mood swings and exhaustion, and also to fuel your body for breastfeeding, healing, and life. So much attention goes to the baby during this stage, and rightfully so, but you, mama, are the foundation. Your health directly affects your energy, your mood, your milk supply, your mental clarity, and ultimately how you show up fully as a mother. So let's first dive into food. Obviously, as a nutritionist or as a nutrition practitioner, this is my absolute passion. It's because real nourishment is one of the most powerful tools that you have in your postpartum toolkit. So here are my 4 pillars for postnatal nutrition. 1, protein and healthy fats. These are going to be your hormone and your tissue healers. Think wild salmon, eggs, nuts, seeds, avocados, and bone broth. These are absolutely critical during this time to help the tissues to rebuild. Number 2 is iron and B12. So these are essential for your energy and preventing that postnatal fatigue. To get things that are rich in iron and B12, think good quality organic red meats, lentils, spinach, liver, or a high quality supplement. Number 3 are omega-3 fatty acids. This is absolutely critical for your baby's brain development, but also for your mood stability because you matter as well. You can find omega-3 fatty acids in things like wild fatty fish. It's great to get at least 2 to 3 servings per week of this. Flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, all of these are really great to integrate into snacks and meals throughout the week. Especially for those quick little snacks. Complex carbohydrates and fiber is number 4. So the reason for this is because they keep your blood sugar steady and your digestion happy. Especially with all the hormonal shifts that are going on, this is critical. You can find these in oats, sweet potatoes, beans, in bananas as well, and then fiber-rich fruits and vegetables, which is really important. And lastly, hydration. So hydration is one of those non-negotiables, especially if you're breastfeeding. If you find that you don't drink enough water because you find it boring, or if it's just because life is too hectic and sometimes you forget, tip number 1, always keep a water bottle or a water glass around you. Also, it's really great that you can add in things like frozen berries, mint, cucumber, or lemon to your water to kind of up that taste factor. For any added benefits, you can also try adding electrolytes or a hot or cold tea like peppermint, nettle, chamomile, raspberry leaf tea to up that taste factor as well. And also, not to up the taste factor, but also up the nourishment level. So secondly, I want to take a moment now and talk about wellness beyond food, because food and nutrition is just the beginning. True postnatal wellness is also about rest, not just sleep, but intentional rest. So napping when your baby is napping, I know that's so hard to do because you have a to-do list, but truly take this time to nap as well because you need it. It also helps to reduce the overstimulation that is brought on by this postpartum stage. Movement is number 2. Gentle, mindful movement. This helps circulation, muscle recovery, tissue healing, all of the things. Things to focus on right now for movement and during this stage is walking, gentle stretching, breathing, and extremely important is your pelvic floor health. If you are in the stage where you are in the 0 to 6 week mark, all you should be doing during this stage is just gentle walks and diaphragmatic breath work. The reason for this is because this helps to stimulate the tissues to heal faster in your abdomen and also in your pelvic floor. So I teach more about this inside my course, which is a little teaser there for you. The third one is mindset and emotional support. So give yourself grace. Take things slower. The laundry and the house cleaning can wait. Say yes to help and build a supportive circle around yourself, even if that looks like it's virtually. Listen to your body is number 5. There is no one size fits all postpartum journey. Trust what your body is asking for. And remember, you don't have to do this alone. Healing is easier and more joyful with support. So if you're here live, drop your questions below. I'd love to chat before I go on to share something really special. I can't wait. I see a whole bunch of people have joined here and I'm so excited. So please, and I would love to hear any of your questions that you have. And in about a little bit, I'm just going to move on to something that I have really special planned. All right. If there's no questions, no problem. You can always drop them in the comments in the replay after this is saved, and I'll still love to answer those questions, or you can always DM me. But all right, beautiful mamas, if this has resonated with you at all, I'd love to invite you into something really, really special that just sets my heart on fire. And I've just created this just for you during this season of life. It is my 4-week online postnatal wellness online course and program, and it's called Abundant Mama. This is designed specifically just for you for full body recovery, and that means physically, emotionally, and hormonally. So here's what the investment is. For only $150 for all 4 weeks, you're going to get realistic, nourishing, one-handed meal plan that supports healing, milk production, energy, and recipes that you can do with only one hand, because I totally get Velcro babies. I have one myself. Weekly wellness themes like hormone balance, gut health, and mood stability, which is absolutely crucial during this stage. Gentle movement and breath work videos. So these are going to be designed just for you to help you recover faster and safely. Mindset coaching and journaling prompts. So these are super helpful for our emotional wellness as well, because we can eat all the right things, we can move our body, but if we are not tuning in to our own emotions and our own emotional wellness, things can be lost. And then also, it's an access to a private community of other mamas. You are not alone. Meet your other virtual besties who are going through this exact same stage in life and use them as a support. So this course is gentle, it's flexible, and it's made for you, even if you're juggling diaper changes and 2 hours of sleep. So the doors are open now, and we kick off on June the 27th at noon. So that's 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And all the details for my course are going to be in my Instagram page at abundantly.nourished, or send me a DM. And I'd love to chat with you one-on-one more about this. I'd be absolutely honored to support you during this stage of life and on this journey. So thank you so much for having me and spending this time with me this morning. You are doing an incredible job. First of all, your health matters. Your body deserves care. And when you pour into yourself, you overflow into your baby, your family, and the rest of the world. So let's rewrite this postpartum story. from depleted to deeply nourished. Sending you lots of love and light, mamas, and I'll see you inside the course.